Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go. Today we're taking a look at this year's version of the Valentine's Day Nike Dunk Low. This shoe was released on February 7th, 2023 at a retail price of $120. These actually dropped via exclusive access on the Nike Scratch Off. Unfortunately, I was not able to check out because of how awful the Nike Sneakers app is, but I was able to grab them from a different retailer, still at retail price. Like most holidays, Nike releases a pack every year for Valentine's Day, which usually includes a Dunk Low and an Air Force 1. This year's Dunk Low dons an all-leather upper featuring a rich burgundy base and an off-white overlay at the forefoot and heel. Soft pink accents make their way onto the swoosh, tongue tag, and heel. Underpinning the low top is a durable maroon upper outsole. As far as the resale value, it's pretty dead, as Valentine's Day has come and went. Most sizes are sitting just barely above retail between $140 and $180 in some sizes. The shoe itself doesn't have to be worn around Valentine's Day. The color blocking on the shoe can be worn at any time of any year. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for all of your support and have a great day.